Okay, so I'm obviously not here today. So I decided to record myself for Friday Interesting Facts. Let's get started. The first Friday fact is in Florida, it is illegal if you don't tell your neighbor if their house is on fire. This is kind of like a reverse Good Samaritan law. If you don't actually be a Good Samaritan, you can actually get arrested for it. Um, and it's really obviously to prevent people from being hurt. I don't know if it's enforced. I don't know how they can tell if you saw it or not. If you were in your house playing video games and you don't go outside and actively check, I don't think you get arrested. But it's just that's what the law is. I don't know how often it gets enforced. Number two, the average American works for 2 hours and 47 minutes every day just to pay taxes. That is more than they pay for food, clothing, and shelter combined. So basically, 3 hours of the day is just to pay the government for all the services they provide. And people say, oh, let's just stop paying the government. Well, obviously, that's not going to work because the government pays for everything. Like you're in a school right now funded by taxes. You drive down the street that was built with taxes. You are pulled over by the police who are paid through taxes. My salary is paid for by tax money. Everything's paid by taxes. So you would actually take for granted how much everything costs or for taxes. School, for instance, right now pays you. It's the HF spends about $17,000 per student with regards to building facilities, paying for salaries for all the different employees. Lunch, lunch people, principal, all these different people, all the facilities, soccer fields, getting them grass cut, painting the grass with the white lines, building the field house, all that gets paid through tax money, and we spend $17,000 per student. So that's a lot of money. So that's all where it goes to taxes. And the last one, the first alarm clock could only ring at 4 a.m. I don't know what this means if you didn't want to wake up at 4 a.m., but that's all it could do. And then they went from that to where they had the ones where there's like a knob, and it was an analog clock with arms, which some of you hopefully can read. All of you can read it. They went to ones where you could turn like this little red line, and when the hour hand hit that, it would make the alarm go off. But other than that, if you didn't want to wake up at 4 a.m., you're out of luck. So that's it. Those are our Friday facts for this week. Have a good quiz.